Is there a 3D printer that combines industrial accuracy, home silence, and loyal price? We say yes, and it is Klema lineup. Klema is the 3D printer for both beginners and professionals. We created a printer that has the most reliable mechanics. The unique design of guide rails guarantees stable quality of printing even at high speed. Klema is a very quiet printer. Design and components of Klema printer provides operating noise lower than 55 decibels. Klema is compatible with the widest range of materials. Printer supports more than 40 types of plastic, including flexible materials with a hardness till 80A. High precision allows to print at the highest detailing. 20 microns precision makes it possible to print products with the smoothest surfaces. Thanks to robust design and high-quality mechanical parts, printing can be with maximum quality even at a speed of 200 mm per second. The case is specially designed to maintain a constant temperature inside, so this allows to work with the specific materials, composites with metals and carbon, super flexible and refractory plastic. User-friendly and intuitive interface, a variety of kit accessories, makes printing process easy and comfortable for both beginners and professionals. For 8 years on the 3D technology market, we have tested dozens of printers and created our own one, which combines all the advantages of the most popular models and is devoid of their disadvantages. Klema printer is the best optimal solution for tasks of any challenge.